This is a magic lamp with the Min-Genie inside. Wow! If you rub this lamp, you can summon the Min-Genie who grants wishes.
I am the Min-Genie of the lamp. Say what you wish and I'm gonna make it true. Friend like me. So Min-Genie will take you to all of the famous places in Seoul where you would like to go. So I've got this wish for today. 안녕하세요. 저는 네덜란드에 사는 제이미입니다. 한국 드라마를 보다가 우연히 서울시청을 봤는데 너무 가고 싶어졌어요. 저 대신 서울에 가주세요. 제가 민지니에게 빌고 싶은 3가지 소원은 첫 번째, 서울시청의 다양한 모습을 보여주세요. 그럼 출발해봅시다. Let's get started. Go, go, go! 서울시청 도착! Let's get inside!
도움이 필요하신 분은 안내데스크에서 안내가
자, 여기가 바로 서울시청입니다, 여러분. So this is actually the most famous place in Seoul City Hall because there is this 수직정원. And for your information, this is the largest vertical garden in the world. So I like this place. Yeah. I think 공기도 좋은 것 같아요. 산호수. 자세히 보면 이렇게 종류도 다 달라요. 이런 데서 사진 찍으면 되게 멋있게 나오지 않나요? 모델 같이. 이런 느낌? 진이는 다시 지하로 내려왔어요. This place is called 시민터. And as you can see, there are a lot of people. Awesome experience in this place can be attributed to you. 랜드마크. 아, 이건 움직이는 게 아니네. Try to fire 불랑기 pole. I am so addicted. Look at this. Alright, let's move on to the Seoul 도서관. This was built in the Japanese occupation period when Japan colonized Korea. But this building still remains in the center of the city so that we can know our painful history. This is a place where anyone can go in and read books. So let's get inside. 근데 민진이 수염 잃어버렸어요. This place is amazing.
journey around Asia.
So Jamie, you said that you want to know how to look like Korean people. So Min-Genie will give you some tips. There are 2 tips. First one is to nod your head, especially when you say 감사합니다. So if you just go like 감사합니다, 감사합니다, it might sound like you are from different countries. So please nod your head when you say 감사합니다. 감사합니다. The other tip is to say 저기요 or 여기요 when you order something in restaurants. So for example, you can raise your hand up and say 저기요 or 여기요 to get the attention of the server so that you can order something. 여기요 basically means right here, so it just means that you are going to order something right over here. And 저기요 just means excuse me, so you can also say that phrase in the street. Yep. Woo! And the next place is this. What is this called? 서울 광장. 서울시청 앞 광장. Oh, this place is very meaningful to Seoul citizens. 겨울에는 스케이트장이 있어서 스케이트를 탈 수 있고, 여름에는 진짜 많은 축제가 열려요. 그리고 특히 뭐죠? Min-Genie came here to eat this one. This is not what I wanted. This is what you wanted. 맛있다. 마트 다녀오셨어요? Don't judge me. I just love this pineapple pizza.